Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by taking control. Press V to select the Move tool and make sure the correct layer is unlocked so it can move. Once done, toggle auto-select to layer or group so clicks target the thing you expect, and turn on Show Transform controls to get visible handles. Make sure you're not on a hidden or masked layer. If a selection exists, press Ctrl+D to clear it. These immediate checks fix most basic non-responsive move issues. Once the tool and layer are ready, inspect the layer stack. A top, invisible, or clipped layer can prevent movement. Make sure masks or vector masks aren't holding pixels in place. Disable them briefly to test. If the layer is a smart object, double-click to edit or rasterize if needed. Some transformations behave differently. Use the arrow keys to nudge. Single press moves 1px. Hold Shift for 10px, and try dragging with the mouse again to confirm movement. To finish, reset the Move tool first. Right-click its icon in the Options bar and choose Reset Tool, then reset all tools if needed. If that fails, reset Preferences by relaunching Photoshop with Alt+Ctrl+Shift held, or rename the Preferences file so the app rebuilds defaults. Make sure the app is updated and restart Photoshop. If problems persist, reboot the system or reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: if dragging
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.